welcome to another video. This is Save the Andes. This is Unit 4, Day 27. My name is Miss Mac, and I'm going to be teaching you today via the internet. So please pause this video, pull up your independent work for today. Your presentation might look something like this. Save the Andes, Task 3, Living in Harmony, Weighing the Consequences. So pause this video, pull up your independent work. Alright, and let's jump into the independent work for today's lesson. So you should have a slide that looks sort of like this. It says, follow the instructions in the first frame of the Jamboard to conduct a group brainstorm of the best solutions you heard about in this task. After brainstorming, take time to read through each sticky note individually or as a group, and the Jamboard is actually on the previous slide. You can make a copy of the Jamboard template by clicking on this link right here. So go ahead and do that. Alright, hopefully you did that. You have your Jamboard up. Now let's go into the Jamboard. Here it is in all of its glory. It says, what are the best solutions you heard about or researched in this task? So, pause this video with your group, or perhaps you did this with your entire class. Discuss some of the solutions that you can make to the problems discussed in this task. And if you need a reminder about what task I'm talking about, what the heck solutions I'm supposed to discuss, this is the prompt. You are addressing some of the environmental problems caused by human activity in the Andes region. So pause this video, come up with some solutions with your group or class. Alright, hopefully you did that. Let's go back to the Jamboard. Now the directions say, we're right here, each group member should choose a different color sticky note and add at least 2 notes. Each note should describe a solution from this task that they might want to adapt for the final project and a justification for why they think it is a good solution. Once all group members have added their sticky notes, take some time to read through them, ask clarifying questions if necessary, and then move to the next frame. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to pick a post-it note. Make sure you discuss it with your team members. Don't take over someone's post-it note. Double click on the post-it note and you can write your name and then write your idea number 1, and then write this will work because blank, or you can write this solves the problem of blank because, and then you want to write another idea and then same thing, this will work because blank, or this solves the problem of blank because. So you want 2 ideas at least in your sticky note. Now, notice how I have this red bar here. If I click save, it's going to go over the sticky note. And I can try to make it bigger, but it's always going to go over. If I double click, I can copy or I can cut this idea, save it, and then I can go and make a new post-it note, a new sticky note over here with this little box. Make sure it's my same color, and then paste it over here. Now I have 2 sticky notes for my 2 ideas. So pause this video. Each of your group members should write 2 ideas and your justification, your explanation for your ideas. So pause this video now to do that. Alright, all of your group members should be done with their notes. There should be a ton of sticky notes on here. Pause this video to read through all of your other team members' ideas and justifications. Okay, hopefully you are familiar with your team's ideas. Hopefully they are fantastic, and I know they are because you are amazing. Now, go up to this top portion right here and click this next frame button, and we have what solution will your group focus on, and what problem or problems does this solution address? So, and then this subtitle here, jot down some notes describing the solution you are interested in pursuing and describe the human actions and environmental problems that the solution addresses. So these are not sticky notes, these are just little squares, but this is a text box. We are going to add a new text box with this little T over here and click. All you need to do is click the text box and then click on the slide. Then you are going to pick a solution or some solutions. I would pick 1 or 2. So go ahead with your group from this slide, pick 1 or 2 solutions that you want to implement and make sure that they are doable for a 7th grader and humans in general to do. So pause this video to pick 1 or 2 solutions from your group. Okay, hopefully you have 1 or 2 solutions. Now you have to identify the problems that these 1 or 2 solutions addresses. So it says, describe the human actions and environmental problems that the solution addresses. And by addresses, it just means kind of like attempts to solve. So if you need a sentence starter, you can have like solution number 1 is right here. Solution number 1 addresses the problem of humans dumping oil into the ocean. That's not related to this task, but I think you get the idea. Solution number 1 addresses the problem of pollution or over farming or fill in the blank, obviously. So pause this video and come up with the answer to this question, the second part of this question, in the yellow box for both of your solutions. And if you only have 1 solution, then only 1 solution. All right, so you should be done there. Let's go back to our independent work slides. We did this. This says discuss the solutions as a group, come to a consensus on the solution ideas you want to work on, briefly describe the problems addressed by this solution. You should have done that already. And then insert a link to your group's Jamboard here. So if you X out, go back to the Jamboard. I'm going to move myself. You can click this share button. Now I'm going to copy the link with this, and then I can double click and paste that link into the blue box. And that is it for this video, this independent work. Hopefully this guided you through your Jamboard today and was a little bit helpful, but I will see you in another video. Have a great day.